Hello, today, we will take you on a tour of the Volvo VNL production line with footage from inside the factory. We will showcase the all-new 2024 Volvo VNL, recently launched in North America to set new standards in heavy-duty trucking. The Volvo VNL features optimized aerodynamics and the latest technologies, improving fuel efficiency by up to 10%. This new model has been developed to enhance customer value, driver productivity, safety, and sustainability. Designed to meet the unique challenges of the North American market, the new Volvo VNL is built on a platform ready for future technologies, including battery electric, fuel cell, and internal combustion engines running on renewable fuels. It also introduces the first 24-volt electrical infrastructure in North America, paving the way for the future commercialization of autonomous trucks. Improved fuel efficiency has been achieved through its aerodynamic design and driveline enhancements. The streamlined, wedge-shaped cab, featuring a redesigned, curved, and bonded windshield, tighter clearances, and a tighter trailer gap, contributes to up to a 10% improvement in fuel efficiency. The new Volvo VNL is powered by the latest generation D13 engine, available in 4 horsepower ratings and 3 torque ratings, providing better fuel efficiency, performance, and durability. Active safety systems are a highlight of the new Volvo VNL. Volvo Active Driver Assist Plus with Pilot Assist, powered by Volvo Dynamic Steering, enhances maneuverability at all speeds and offers active lane centering. Passive safety systems include a bonded and wrapped windshield that improves driver visibility, increases safety, and reduces wind noise in the cab. The cab is designed to Volvo Trucks' leading crash test standards and will feature side curtain airbags for the driver and passenger.